located in Fort Lauderdale. A new luxury residential tower is coming to Fort Lauderdale. Resident private lounge with private conference room, innovative gaming and entertainment lounge, bistro and boutique space within lobby, rooftop amenity lounge for sunrise and sunset gatherings, tranquil yoga lawn and movement room. Expansive resort-style pool deck with curated lounge seating and jacuzzi, contemporary fitness center featuring premium training equipment, wellness spa with massage treatment rooms, sauna, steam room, and cold plunge, beauty salon for beach-ready style and sophistication, pet spa with a dog run. Residences. Breathtaking views of the ocean and intracoastal, private residence elevators and foyers, sprawling 10 ceilings for spacious environment, top-tier appliance suite by Sub-Zero Wolf including gas cooktop, waterfront community in North Beach Village, walkable lifestyle 1 block from the beach. Aqueduct, Swedro Architecture Developer, Merrimack Ventures Interior Designer, Adriana Hoyos Design Studio. Reserve your heaven of luxury at Bungalow East with a 15% reservation deposit. Call 786-361-9956 for more information.